I'm going to show you how to open up a champagne bottle because I think this part's really important. The thing that's really key when you're opening up these bottles is to not twist the cork. You actually want to twist with the bottle. The reason for that is if you twist the cork, you risk losing control of what you're twisting with, which is when you've ever had a cork fly off somewhere, it's usually due to that. I have no nails, so peeling off this foil is a total pain in the butt. So take the cage off. Some say don't, some say leave it on. I prefer to take the cage off. So you want to hold the bottle here, hold the cork, and then twist with the bottle, holding the cork. If you're twisting here, you can see where you lose that grip, right? So if you lose that grip and if it pops at a point where you don't have a grip, it could fly off, hit someone, break something. So hold on to the cork. There we go. Twist with the bottle. Easy as that.